Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the FN layer active because many laptops require it. Check the keyboard for an FN lock or a small padlock icon. If present, press FN plus ESC or FN plus Shift to toggle it on. This switches your F1, F12 between media and function mode. Once done, make sure the icons on the keys match expected actions. If the toggle doesn't work, go to your laptop's BIOS/UEFI or keyboard settings and enable function key behavior there before moving to the next step. You now use the F keys to perform common tasks. If FN lock is enabled, press a single F key like F5 to refresh or F11 to toggle full screen. Otherwise, hold FN plus the F key. Many F keys have secondary icons for brightness, volume, Wi-Fi, or sleep. Use those when you need immediate hardware control. For advanced actions, combine F keys with Control, Alt, or Shift inside applications. For example, hold Control plus F4 or Alt plus F4 to manage windows. This approach keeps you finish by customizing default behavior and addressing issues. Open BIOS/UEFI or your vendor's keyboard utility to prefer function keys over media keys. That saves you repeating toggles. If a key is unresponsive, update keyboard drivers and system firmware and reboot. Once done, test keys in a text editor and in safe mode, or try an external keyboard to isolate hardware faults. If problems persist, make sure contacts are clean or contact support. Most failures are driver or setting related, not permanent hardware damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.